Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to watch YuppTV on Android TV. So let's go. We're going to go to apps and I'm using Google as the browser of choice. It could be any browser. So right here, all you need to do is type in YuppTV and look for the one with YuppTV.com. That's the official website. Just click on it and you're in. So this is the site. You've seen it. All you need to do is to come here to live TV if you want live TV. If you want footage from live TV, this way you go. You have all these channels. There are different channels here. You go browse and choose what you want. As you can see them. And then news. So YuppTV also has news. You could click on the news tab at the top of the screen and watch the latest news. Look at the latest stories on the news with different live channels broadcasting the news. At the same time, we go to TV catch up. So under catch up TV on the top bar, you could look at these TV channels. So just give it a second to load. There are different categories. There's the popular catch up, there's entertainment, there are movies all ready for you. You can also stream movies on this app, so on this site rather. So look at the YuppTV.com. You come over to movies. All of these movies are available to you. Just click on any of them and you're going to be able to stream them. So if, for example, if I want this one, I click on it and I give it some time to load up. So I've clicked on this movie, Rathma, and this is it here. You are asked to continue enjoying your favorite TV shows and movies. Please sign in. So this was I wanted to show you. All you need to do is to come here and click on the sign up button. If you have an account, sign in. But if you don't have an account, just sign up with your email address. I'm going to use mine. So right here you see me typing my email address. So right there, that's my email address and my phone number as well, and the password. So in this tutorial, I cannot show you the number I'm going to put here, but then all you need to understand is YuppTV is a very good application. You can stream without any hassles. All you need to do is put in this email, the phone number in your country of choice. So click on this drop down icon to choose the country of choice. And when you have the country selected, you click on that country. So in this case, I'm hitting it on the United Kingdom, and the United Kingdom number over here. Immediately you put in the number, put in the password that you desire to have. So this is sign up process, it's not signing in. So this assumes that you have no account. The password you put here, the password you use to log into your account. After that, click on sign up and you have your account quickly and automatically created. You receive a verification code to verify that email, and when that is done, you have your account created and verified. Now you can stream as much as you want on YuppTV.com. So if you found that insightful, hit the like button or subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.